In this video, we're going to show you how to record tax payments in Xero, making sure you can keep your books accurate and up to date. If you're new to Xero or just need a quick refresher, this is the perfect place to start. Stick around because by the end, you'll be confident in recording your tax payments without breaking a sweat. Before we dive in, let me remind you that you can use Xero completely for free, thanks to an exclusive offer linked in the description below. Plus, there are some bonuses that will help you get the most out of the platform, so make sure to check that out. Now let's get to it. When you make a tax payment, whether it's for VAT, sales tax, or any other type, recording it correctly in Xero is essential for both compliance and accuracy in your reports. To start, head to the Xero Bank Accounts section in Xero. You'll be recording the payment as a Xero bank transaction, so it's crucial that the payment shows up in the correct account, which is typically your business's bank account. From the dashboard, click on Estás Business ESA at the top and select Bills to Pay if you're paying a tax bill. Once in the Bills to Pay section, you'll see a list of all outstanding bills. Find your tax bill in the list, or if it's a new one, click New Bill. Now let's say you're recording a tax payment that's already been paid. Go to Banking, find the relevant bank transaction, and click Match. Xero will try to automatically match your tax payment with an existing bill, which is a huge time saver. If it's not matched automatically, don't worry. Just manually choose the tax bill you're paying from the list. This will ensure everything is correctly tracked. For those who prefer to use the manual payment option, go ahead and click the Add Payment button once you're on the tax bill. Here, you'll enter the date of the payment, the amount, and the payment method. You can also apply the payment to multiple bills if you're making a bulk payment. Just remember, when paying tax, always double-check the SAS tax rate and account codes to make sure it's aligned with your settings. After that, you'll want to reconcile the transaction. Reconciliation in Xero ensures your payment matches the actual payment in your bank account. Click on Pasietan, Reconcile Pasietan, and ensure the payment amount is correct. If everything matches, you're good to go. If you're unsure about tax codes or have any doubts on how to categorize the payment, don't worry. Xero's tax settings can be adjusted to reflect the correct treatment for VAT or sales tax, depending on your location. You can find these settings under Accounting, CAFOPS, Advanced Rate, and then Tax Rates. Customize them to match your region's tax structure. And here's a quick tip. Make sure you review your tax reports regularly. Xero makes it easy to generate a VAT or sales tax report, which will give you a snapshot of all the tax you've collected and paid, ensuring that your records are always accurate. To recap, recording tax payments in Xero is easy once you've set up your tax codes and linked your bank account. By following these steps, you'll save time, reduce errors, and stay on top of your business's finances. Remember, you can use Xero for free by clicking the link below and get access to exclusive bonuses. And don't forget, Xero's flexibility allows you to customize your settings to suit your specific needs. So always take a moment to make sure everything is set up to reflect your exact tax requirements. If you found this video helpful, don't miss out on the extended free trial I mentioned earlier. The link's below, so get started today.